some gardening and plantation. First we are planting the aloe vera plant. Now let's pour the water. The awesome fact about the aloe vera gel is it is helpful for skin problems and sunburns. We will now plant eggplants. Let's start planting it. Pour the water. Plant is called mimosa plant, also called touch me not. Let's test it. The fact about mimosa plant is when we touch their leaves, they close them, and that's why they are called touch me not plant. This lady's finger has grown too big. It's time to cut it. So big. Some bananas. Let's pick it. It's so hard to pick it up. One, two. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. These are raw bananas. We can use these to make some curries. There are some small chilies. These are often called Tabasco chili peppers. There are some red and green. There are some peppers. We are gonna cut it.